everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today is Monday the 14th of September and as you can see I'm back outside Wilkos again. It really doesn't look like there's been any changes from the Friday when I filmed or much. Some bits here look like they've come down. I did come down here this morning and there wasn't any signs of life on the site. I've come back down today to see if there's anything new happening and hopefully get some good bits on video. Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is Tuesday the 15th of September and here I am outside the Wilkos building. It's early afternoon and there's no demolition activity going on right now, but I can definitely walk around and show you all what's been done so far. Now since we were last here, all this bit's been taken out along there. You see a massive piece of panel that's just been dragged out and fallen down. Not much change along that side there. I can zoom in and show you from here. I'll zoom out again as I get to this side. And there you go. I'm going to walk back across the road now and show you what the Dickson Road end looks like today. So I'll see you across the road. So here I am across the road. That corner there is where I've just filmed from and I've shown you that side of the building. Now we're going to see the Dickson Road side. That's the other angle of the dinosaur chomper that's taking this building down. And let's take a look down here. You can see these front panels have been taken off, all the parts down here. The crooked looking lamppost there. Piles and piles of rubble. Now let's walk down. You see that side? The front bit here, what we saw the other day, with what looks like the bathrooms in, that hasn't changed much. I think this morning they've just been at work on the other side. So I think I'm going to try and show you everything on this side, then maybe have a walk around and hopefully, I'm hoping there'll still be some more demolition going on in the afternoon. people back on site now, over there. Maybe they've just been on lunch or something, I don't know. Maybe they're going to start at work again. I'm going to go across here quick before that light changes, so I can show you down there. I'm not sure how good that view will be because the sun's right in my eyes. I'm going to walk over just to here where the fencing starts, but there's no use in walking all the way around because there's nothing going on down that side. It's just a fencing basically. There'll be nothing to see. So best thing to do will be to have another walk around town and come back here later and just see if work started up again. So I'll see you in a bit. Again, and it looks like something's happening, so I'm going to stick around and film for a while.